is our 1957 Dodge Power Wagon. You see that? Because the way it is. And so this has a 316, 317 Semi-Hemi. It's undisclosed to us. The hood doesn't open because that's a little. It's good though. It was a plow. It was a plow rig. So you got 1/2 inch thick angle iron because that's what you need. This was Grandpa's old truck. It's from out of state. He rebuilt the motor in a tin shack, basically. So, but it's flucked up now. So we gotta go through that. So it isn't what Mater's based off of. Mater, like from Cars, is based off of a International, but this is a Dodge, so it looks pretty close. There's no rust or anything on it, but everything's bent, it's broken, it's factory. But so it's pretty good. We just gotta go through it, and this would be a pretty nice going to town rig. It also has it actually has really good patina. And it also had old wood sides that Grandpa put out.
For hauling firewood.
And he said beans too.
And we hauled beans.
Because, the old farmers always got to have an everything truck. But, so that's our 1957 Dodge Power Wagon.